Join me as I take on the challenge of eating sardines every day for a week to see if it really makes a difference in my health. So, you've probably heard the dramatic statement, eat sardines or die, from a doctor. And you're wondering what's behind it. The truth is, sardines are an incredible superfood that can have a massive impact on our health. In fact, they're one of the most nutritious foods on the planet, and that's why a doctor might make such a dramatic statement. Many of us are deficient in essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium. And because of that, we're facing a range of health issues, from fatigue and brain fog to chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. It's no secret that our modern diets are often lacking in nutrients, and it's taking a toll on our health. We're eating too much processed food, too much sugar, and not enough whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. And it's this nutritional gap that's driving many of our health problems. One of the main reasons we're so deficient in omega-3 fatty acids is because we're not eating enough fatty fish. And that's where sardines come in. These tiny fish are packed with omega-3s, as well as other essential nutrients like vitamin D and calcium. They're also extremely low in mercury, making them a safe choice for regular consumption. And because they're so small, they're lower on the food chain, which means they're more sustainable than larger fish like salmon or tuna. Another issue is that we're not getting enough fiber in our diets, which is leading to digestive problems and all sorts of other health issues. And that's where the fiber content of sardines comes in. These little fish are a great source of fiber, which can help regulate our digestive systems and boost our overall health. So, it's clear that sardines are an amazing food that can help fill some of the nutritional gaps in our diets. Sardines are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in heart health, brain function, and even our mood. They've been shown to reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and even help with depression and anxiety. And because they're so rich in omega-3s, sardines can help reduce our risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and stroke. In addition to their omega-3 content, sardines are also packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, and selenium. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth, and selenium is an antioxidant that can help protect us from oxidative stress and cell damage. So, it's clear that sardines are a nutritional powerhouse that can have a massive impact on our health. One of the most surprising benefits of sardines is their role in preventing chronic diseases. Because of their high omega-3 content, they've been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even cancer. They've also been linked to improved cognitive function and a lower risk of dementia. And because they're so rich in antioxidants, they can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are driving many of our modern health problems. In terms of longevity, sardines have been shown to have a significant impact. Because of their high omega-3 content, they can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are both major contributors to aging. And because they're so rich in antioxidants, they can help protect our cells from damage and promote overall health and wellness. So, it's clear that sardines are an amazing food that can have a huge impact on our health and longevity. So, to recap, sardines are an incredible superfood that can have a massive impact on our health. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, and have been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve cognitive function, and even promote longevity. And that's why a doctor might make the dramatic statement, eat sardines or die. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite ways to eat sardines. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating habits, be sure to check out my next video.